fighting?
Yeah,
Why
come,
not
come, tell
together?
him.
No, because his Murt was today
Murt पहिला दे
and mine was that day.
Murt आहात जो. Okay. So now tell us.
आयजू तुमच्या पळय जाल्यार तुमच्या पॅनलाचे
सगळे येतले
सगळे येतले कित्याक आमी थोडे आतां आमी
अमके कॅन्डिडेटचे मूड आसा
हां
सो तेंचे टायमींग आहा न्हू तेंचे प्रमाणे आतां 10:30 आमचे उरले भुरगे येतले
कांय पिवपाचें
11:30.
ना सांगता कांय पिवपाचें ना आमचे 30 ऑलरेडी आसा कळ्ळें न्हू कांय पिवपाचें आमची स्ट्रॅटेजी
कोणाक सांगपाचें ना हो मुहूर्त आसा
पळय
ताले थोडे आयज फायल करतले
सांगपाचो नसो
ना म्हाजे मिडिया फ्रेंड कितें म्हणलें रे सुरेन तूं कांयच उलयना वी वे डुईंग अंडरग्रावंड रिसर्च विदाउट टॉकिंग समजलें न्हू अँड टुडे बिकॉज ऑफ द अंडरग्रावंड रिसर्च वी हॅव कम विथ आमी पणजेकार वे ऑल द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर बॅकिंग आवर पॅनल इज अ नॉन पॉलिटिकल पॅनल
Suren Bab, when you talk about everybody is backing your panel and all, why the panel is not together then? You know, on underground and Murt on anything.
Don't worry.
Why you need all those
All
things?
We
will
are
be.
coming again with the remaining
Yes.
candidates.
Now I'm going to Panjim Chair. They're all waiting for me there. They are
you'll be coming
moved this
back
other
again.
time.
Okay, this now you have come with your son. This
Yeah.
time your son is also contesting.
Yeah.
So how do you see that?
Little louder.
This time you have come with your son now again,
Yeah.
and your son is also contesting
Yes.
this time. So how do you see that now? Because last time your missus is not there. Instead of that, son
Yes.
is there.
Yes.
what
son
is
is
it?
there.
So how do you see that competition contest now?
There are no competition. What competition? Surin Futter, this is service for last 40 years for the people of Panjim.
ऍड करता तुमचो ऑर्डूय परत चेंज जाला
अरे माझे बोर्ड रायट फ्रॉम जुवारकार टायम ते फोडीत रावले जुवारकार टायम पासून माझो बोर्ड आसलो तेरा वॉज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ओल्ड सेक्रेटरेट मार्केट एरिया मुस्लिम वाडो बांद तांबा कॉलनी आणि फुल ऑफ मिराबार
सुरेन
तेन्ना 5,500 5,500 votes were there. So they thought that I was a threat to them for the MLA's post. They went on breaking, slicing. Till the Almighty God is there to protect me, He will protect me. I don't trust men. I only trust in the Lord, Almighty Lord.
सुरेन म्हाका एक सांग
वोट मारूं येतलो
अरे राग.
अरे गॉड सगळ्याचेर बेसांव घालतलो मरे वोट
No,
मारपाक.
but if
Suren,
you don't,
Suren,
if you
Suren.
don't trust this man, you trust this panel?
Who? Yes.
सुरेन म्हाका एक सांग
Because I am a part of it. I am heading this one. I am out of 3. I am the one of the panel member.
No, because they are also human beings. No, you don't trust men, you said.
Are don't worry, my dear friend.
Tenzil,
You're
certain
my
things you have to
Tenzil.
understand. You have to read
सुरेन
the-
सुरेन
Tenzil.
सुरेन म्हाका एक सांग की
Tenzil is the
उत्पल सदांच बाबुशाच्या फॅमिली राजाच्या अगेन्स्ट तो म्हणटा की तेजी बायल आमची MLA चेडो तेगेलो मेयर आतां हितून पळय जाल्यार तुमी मेयर आशिल्ले आतां तुमचे
अरे बाबा,
वायफूय
आयकून
कॉर्पोरेटर
घे.
आशिल्ली चेडोय
आयकून
आतां
घे.
फायल करता सो हे फॅमिली राज
No, no,
जायना
I couldn't get. I have been elected right from 1985. This is my seventh term. My wife has been elected 5 times. Right from 2002. That time there was no family raj because
पण आता
it was-
चेडो-
ना,
आता
कितें
चेडो
सांगता?
तुमचो आसा.
आमचे फूल मिरामार आसले ते 2 भाग केले तेमी आणि I could not let my Mirabar people go astray. That's why I had to put my wife. My wife did not go to any other ward.
पूण हे फॅमिली राज जायना
ना,
आतां
जायना.
This is not family right.
I'll explain in a very simple
Okay.
word. Now see, for example, can you see this road?
ओके सो वॉट
Now,
एवर
let me finish. You asked me a question. Can you see this road? Now this full road has to be hot mix, correct?
ओके
Half of this road they put in one ward, and then other half of the road is put in the other ward.
I'm not talking about words.
So, let me finish. So when we are together in Miramar, we can do this work together and complete it. That is the only reason we have
No, but
bifurcated.
even once upon a
Yeah.
time, Babush and Suren were together.
What is it?
ना पूण
No, the example what you had said.
See,
ना
there
पूण
is-
हे फॅमिली राज जायत ना
family
खंयच्या
राज
फॅमिली
जायना.
जायना
Because
कशी
my mother is not sending this.
तशें जाल्यार बाबूश पणजे रावता तेजी बायल तालिगांव
No,
रावता
we are I am right from 1985.
1985 जाल्यार फॅमिली राज
I
जायना
think that time.
हांव 91 बोर्न
85.
सो ते फॅमिली राज जायत ना कितें 85 जाले जाल्यार
जायना.
सो तर बाबूश केन्नाचे ना तर
नाही बाबूश
तुम्ही-
बाबूश
तुम्ही differentiate करता सांगले न्हू, दोन्ही family-
Babush, I had brought Babush in the Panjim block when I was the Panjim block president, and I had got him in the Panjim block when my office was in Navilkar next to Navin Times. You asked Mr. Babush Munsarat.
So आयज तुमच्या against जालें.
Huh?
तो फुडें पावलो तूं फाटीं उरलो.
That the Almighty knows. You ask the Almighty why it is.
केदोवी देव विचार आता देव विचार
You know me, I eat, dream only of development.
नॉट मेयर
That's why have you seen Miramar how it is, no? Miramar when in 1985, there were no street lights, there were no drains, there were no proper roads, only subdivision plots were done. Kudu, Miramar today is like Singapore. I'm proud to say that.
तुम्ही मेयर आशिल्ले तेन्ना सिटी सिंगापूर कशी आशिल्ली
हय
सो मागीर स्मार्ट सिटी कित्याक काडली तर
कोणी हाडली स्मार्ट सिटी काढली आखी पणजेक न्हू
पण पणजे तुमीच मेयर आशिल्ले न्हू सिंगापूर आशिल्ले
Smart
Are-
city was initiated after
Nah.
this tenure mayor. So he
Yeah.
has nothing to do with the smart city and
Smart
whatever
city
mess
came
has
after
happened.
तूं म्हणटा की
No,
तुमी
no,
मेयर
no,
आशिल्लो
confuse the issue.
तो म्हणटा की
You see the
तूं मेयर
chronology.
आशिल्लो तेन्ना सिटी
ना
सिंगापूर
मेयर न्हू
He's talking about
कॉन्सुलर
Myanmar.
1985 जिखून येयल्या तेन्ना लायटी नासली स्ट्रीट लायटी गटर नासले प्रॉपर रस्ते नासले समजलें न्हू आनी तेन्ना ब्रांको वॉज द चेअरपर्सन
सुरेश बाब
फ्रांसीस ब्रांको ते कुटू करून आज मिरामार सामकें हे जालां
सगळे समजता तुम्ही एज अ काउन्सिलर कॉर्पोरेटर म्हणून केला जाल्यार हिंच्या आमदारांनी ज्या प्रिवियस पालकांनी कांयच करूंक ना
कोण
हिंगा पळोवन आमदार जावन गेल्या पद्दतीन
आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माय वॉर्ड
वॉट
I दोन ब्रिजा केल्या जाणे मरे तूं
Wow.
वन इज कनेक्टिंग फायर ब्रिगेड वन इज कनेक्टिंग ला कंपाला गोईंग टू दॅट हॉस्पिटल कंपल क्लिनिक
गुड थिंग्स यू हॅव
Yes.
डन सो तुवें केलं ते आमदारांनी बाकी हिंगा कांयच सगळं सुरेंद्रान केलं
माझ्या वॉर्डान हांवें केला
Yes,
आय एम प्राऊड टू से दॅट
Yes, thank you.
आणि कितें विचारपी मागीर म्हणटालो आपण विसरलो म्हणून तो म्हणटा फॅमिली राजा आय गॉट बाबूश देन एज अ मेंबर ऑफ द पेंजिंग ब्लॉक वेन माय ऑफिस वॉज इन नाबिलकर नेक्स्ट टू नवीन टाइम्स समजलें न्हू
सर one more thing is that you still consider yourself as a mayor's candidate space.
That already they have announced, no? Why you are putting words into my mouth?
That is announced by the panel.
किधर
A
रहता
joint
cancel?
decision.
Okay.
Ask something good.
This is